Hi and welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little product comparison right now. I keep seeing this product on social media. It keeps coming up. This one's called Oil Film Wiping 2.0. It's a new version apparently. On the ads they whack it on the screen. They press the thing, it makes a squeaky noise. They whack it on. They put grease and oil and faff and squirt it off and it just beads off like it was never on there. We shall see. The other product I'm going to go test it against is a product from Gtechniq. DJI ClearVision smart glass. Okay, well-known company, Gtech in this field. I'm going to prep the glass first so it's got a nice fresh start with nanotech glass polish, also from Gtechniq. This might be what I use to get this crap off if it doesn't work, but we shall see. Let's see how it goes. Okay, directions for use. I'm going to break all these rules. Shake well, we can do that. Wear gloves. I'm not wearing gloves. And use out of direct sunlight. I'm struggling on that one today. It's baking here today. Maybe I shouldn't do it, but I'm going to give it a go. I'll do it in small sections so it can dry on. Apply a small amount of product onto an applicator. I don't have a soft foam applicator. I do, however, have some fresh microfiber. Work in a circular motion and polish is broken down. Remove excess residue with a damp microfiber buff cloth. I'm going to go get myself a damp microfiber buff cloth and then finish with your product. Be right back with a damp cloth. Okay, one damp microfiber for taking it off, clean microfiber for putting it on. Working in a circular motion. Let's go. I don't like taking polished products off with a damp cloth, but it says to do. I think the sun is hurting my application a little bit. That's the polish done. I'm actually going to give that a wipe off with some window cleaner. Little Windex product. This is crystal glass cleaner from Auto Finesse. I actually feel like my windows are clean. I'm going to go over them with a dry microfiber. Yeah, that sun's killing me a little bit. No directions for use on this thing. Feels like it's coming out somewhere, but I feel like there's a seal on this or something. Definitely something stopping it. There was a little nozzle in there, a little pick stopping it coming through. I had to push it in the centre. Now I can squeeze the product through. Well, that was an easy application. I don't think any of this product likes being in the sun. Okay, that's one side. And this. Clean the glass with G6 Perfect Glass, then polish your glass with G4 Nanotech Glass Polish. Reclean with Power Glass Cloth, yes. Dab G1 on API applicator. Included, apply 3 layers of G1 to your front screen, leaving 5 minutes to cure between each. Leave all layers secure for 15 minutes. Once cured, use AP1 applicator included. Let's see. Oh, there is an applicator. Very good, this comes with an applicator. Once cured, use the API applicator included to apply G2 in small areas. Oh, there's two parts, G1 and G2. This is a bit different. Once cured, use the API applicator included to apply G2 in small areas and immediately buff with a MF1 cloth. Clean your wiper blades up and apply a layer of G1 to them without removing residue. So dab G1 onto an applicator, apply 3 layers of G1 to your front screen, leaving 5 minutes to cure. Alright, it's a bit more technical than that other stuff. The applicator seems like one of those pads that people use to take off makeup. By 3 layers. G1. Okay, we'll give that 5 minutes. Hey Siri, 5-minute timer please. Okay, that's the window with layer 1 on. It's been about 4 minutes now. I'm about to put layer 2 on. That's how it looks right now. So, layer 2. The applicator that they send it with is like one of them pads that your wife might use to take her makeup off with. You know the one? Layer 2. Done. Squeak. So it says to clean the blades and wipe a layer of G1 on there without buffing off. I'll put that on there. Now, my makeup pad's losing the will to live. And that's how it looks after layer 2. You can see it's starting to build up, it's getting thicker. The swirl's getting worse. Done the wiper blades. And I've used half the bottle of G1 so far. Maybe I've been putting it on a bit too thick. Okay, it's 5 minutes up. Time for layer 3. Okay, that's 3 layers. Leave that one for 5 minutes. I'm going to make a cup of tea while it does that. Okay, as a reminder, once cured, use the API applicator included to apply G2 in small areas and immediately buff with an F1 cloth. We're going to call this an F1 cloth. I'm pretty sure MF1 means yellow microfiber. Clean your wiper blades and apply a layer of J1 to them without removing the residue. I've done that already. Alright. So number 2 on a cotton bud, I'm wiping off immediately. Let's see. Okay, that's with 3 layers on. You can see it's built up quite a bit. Quite smeary. Get it off. G2. Shake. Okay, that buffs off quite nice. Trick is to get it while it's wet, I think. The sunlight's not helping me any. Oh, that's how you do it. Two-handed. Okay. Cleaned up quite nice, that. Give that a minute while I have my lunch. Okay, I'm going to do a quick test now. I've let the products bake for a few hours and followed the instructions. The only downside might be that it was in direct sunlight, but I'm going to do a quick water test on this half, which was the Amazon product, and the passenger half, which was the Gtechniq product. Hopefully you can see the water running off. That one, I don't know what to say about that. Looks a bit sticky. Let's see about this. Gtechniq's far superior. Gtechniq's actually dry. There's still water running on that side. That's insane. That is insane, actually. You can pretty much see which side had Gtechniq on and which side didn't. That's nuts. I wish I'd have done the driver's side with Gtechniq. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna do that again. Really hope you can see this in this light. But this side's still wet. Quite sticky. And this side, water just jumps off. This side's practically dry, while this side's still wet. I think that's a definite win for Gtechniq. There you have it, it's quite conclusive. Gtechniq, Amazon cheap product. I know which I'll be buying in future. I know which I'll be putting on the rest of the car. Excellent. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really supports us. Thank you so much. Have a good day.